So you're thinking about getting your real estate license or recently passed your licensing exam. Hi, I'm DeAnn Dillard with Whissel Realty Group, brokered by eXp, and I've been a licensed real estate agent for over 10 years, and I'm on the #1 team here in San Diego County. If I was a new agent today, the first things first, I would be shopping for a broker, and these are the top things that I would look for. The #1 most important thing to look for in a brokerage is going to be training. How involved in your career is your broker going to be? Are they going to provide you coaching, mentorship? I know when I started in this industry, I had very minimal training, and a lot of brokerages out there don't really have a program for you. When we come into this industry, a lot of us don't even know how to build a business, or as a real estate agent, how to generate business. So the #1 most important thing is going to be training. The #2 most important thing is going to be resources. What are they going to provide for you? Are they going to give you a website or leads, a CRM, that's a contact relationship management system? Are they going to help you with marketing or even teach you how to market? These things cost thousands of dollars every month. And as a brand new real estate agent, you might not be able to afford these things. So the #2 most important thing to look for is going to be resources. The #3 most important thing, of course, is commission split. How much of your commission do you have to give your broker, and what are they giving you in return? You might find a brokerage out there that says they offer a better split, but are they giving you the training and the resources you actually need in this business to make money? These are just some of the most important things to look for in a broker. If you have questions about how to shop for a brokerage or want more information about my broker, eXp, just shoot me a message or a text and we can get on a chat and even talk about how you can partner with me. I'm DeAnn Dillard with eXp Realty, and thanks for watching.